Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to Social Studies. Today we're going to watch a quick video and then we're going to work on filling out this page together. So first we're going to watch our video, and I wanted to remind you that we're talking about the local government and different departments, and our local government makes the different departments that provides us different services. So let's watch and listen to this short video.
Let's learn about government departments. City and state governments have many departments. Each department
Sorry about that, guys. It lagged a little bit, so I'm just going to rewind it just a second. Lord have mercy. I hit the wrong button and paused you guys again.
Each department has a special job. They take care of different needs in the community. People need resources, such as water to drink, cook, and bathe. The local water department provides clean, safe water for the community. They also supply water sources for emergencies, such as fires. The fire department uses lots of water to stop fires. They also rescue people in danger. The sanitation department helps the community stay clean. They pick up trash and clean local streets and parks. Imagine what a mess there would be without the sanitation department. There are many other important government departments. The police department keeps communities safe from crimes. The transportation department helps people travel on buses and trains. And the recreation department takes care of fun places like parks, beaches, and amusement parks. Let's review. Local governments have many departments. Each department has a special job. The water department provides water resources for people in the community. The police and fire departments help people in danger and keep the community safe. The sanitation department keeps the community clean. Transportation and recreation departments help people travel and have fun. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Alrighty. So I'm going to flip over to this page. Make this bigger so we can see it. So we're looking at different government services. After we fill out this little graphic organizer, you can trim off the extra and glue it in your social studies notebook or put it in your social studies folder, so that way you have it in a safe place. This first picture is a little bit hard to see, but there is a road work truck and some construction workers. What service do you think that's representing? It's representing road repair, right? So we're going to write road, and just in case I don't have enough room going across, I'm going to write repair down below it. Road repair. Okay. How does road repair help how does road repair help people? What does it do? It helps to keep us safe. If our roads have big holes in it or are falling apart, our cars could hit them, and then that could either hurt our cars, it could hurt us. If there's lines not on the road, or we can't see the lines, maybe the people driving won't know or will have a harder time staying in their lane. And if a car comes at them and they're not in their lane, that could be very serious. So road repair help keeps us safe by keeping our roads in good shape. Okay, if you need to pause it to finish filling out anything, go ahead and do that as you need to, okay? I'm going to keep going though. So here's a person and they're sitting at a desk and they have a bookshelf with a lot of books. And there's a little sign that says librarian. Where do you think, or what service do you think that this might be? The library, right. And we have a library in our school, but we also have a library in Brooklyn, and then there's several libraries in Jackson, and they're all part of the same library. They're just different branches. So it's all part of the same library, but there's different buildings to make it easier for people to get to. How does a library help people? It gives them the books that help them learn, right? So we're going to write it gives people books helps them learn. This isn't really a complete sentence, but we're using a comma and we're listing two ways that it can help people. Okay, so it gives people books, and because of that, it helps people learn. And then we have this guy. What kind of truck is this? It's a garbage truck, right? So we have a garbage pickup. How does garbage pickup help people? What do you think our world would look like if we didn't have garbage pickup? It would be really gross, right? And really dirty. So, offers garbage services. And then I'm going to put in parentheses, keeps our earth clean. Because if we didn't have garbage pickup, where do you think that people would put their garbage? They already throw it out on the side of the road and in our parks and stuff. If we didn't have garbage service, imagine how much more worse that would be. For these last two, we're going to draw our own pictures. And you could kind of draw your own picture if you wanted to. Oh, sorry. But with us not being together, that might be a little bit harder. So you could go ahead and try if you wanted to. I'm going to draw a picture of we're going to do it so we know maybe what it is. We're going to draw a police officer. And back in the day, they used to wear hats that said police. Or maybe it's just in the movies that I watch. I don't really remember. Okay. So here's my police officer. And this is his arms and the rest of his body are down there. How does a police officer help keep us safe? Or, I keep saying, how? How does a police officer help us? And it helps keep us safe, right? I kind of said that accidentally. Keeps us safe. And then for my last picture, I'm going to draw a park. That's my screen. How does a park help people? How does a park help people? Well, a park helps people by giving us a safe place to play. It gives us a spot to explore nature, because sometimes, like in cities and stuff, people don't have backyards, and so they go to the parks to explore nature, and it gives us a safe place to have fun. And again, some people that live in cities don't get to just go outside and have something to do outside, or something to play with, or a yard outside. So they have to go to parks. We kind of live more so in the country, so most of us have at least some yard space. Even if you live in Jackson, you still have some yard space compared to some cities. So I do want you to keep this page safe in either your notebook or your folder, so that way you have it. If you need to pause it to write down any of the pieces, go ahead and do that, and then we will continue talking about departments and services on Tuesday. Have a good day, guys.